Welcome back to the sixth day here. I usually don't do videos past Friday, but I want to give you guys something to see if you can make more money. And this is called a UserSense, and you can sign up to become a user test to help improve digital products. So it's important that you're giving your honest feedback and a lot of stuff that I already mentioned previously when you're doing these quality feedback about different product testings. They want thorough answers. They want to know why something doesn't work, why you see things. They want to know for you to be able to articulate yourself verbally or on writtenly or writtenly. So it's important that you don't just hurry up and just say anything because you won't get paid for your time and you wasted your time and their time, and that's not good for either one of you. So it's important that you can go ahead and sign up as a tester and you can make between $30 to $50 per month. So go ahead and click on sign up to become a tester. And then they're going to put in your email address, your telephone number, your date of birth, gender, male, country, where you're from. And it's really important that you put in all this information so they can know who you are as a person and what you do. I really personally think that this is a good opportunity for you to make $30 to $50 per month. While that may not seem much, you have so many other opportunities, responding to user interviews, that an extra $50 a month is not going to hurt you. It's going to help you actually. So I highly recommend that you join this website. Like I said, you need to give quality answers. Don't just put in any garbage or anything like that, or else you will not get you will not get payment for that. It happens. It's always going to be a researcher that is going to catch you to say this doesn't add up to that. What you said previously didn't add up to what was said two or three, four responses ago. So these researchers not playing. They need to know that you are serious about it and that you're going to take it serious. If you don't take it seriously, there's no reason for you to sign up for this one, because this is a website where they take things very seriously and you need to make sure you're doing it the same too. So they have different products that you can test and it is legit. A lot of my friends have vetted for this, and I just the first time I actually heard about this website. I don't know everything, so I talk to different people, and they tell me about different websites. I've never personally gotten paid from this website, but my friends have told me that they gotten paid from this website, and I believe my friends because they showed me a lot of payment proof from different things. So while I may not, you need to sign up for this website, test it yourself, see if you like it, and then you come back and let me know. I can't possibly test all the websites in the world and show you all the payment proofs for everything because even sometimes I don't know it. But other than that, let me know if this is something you like. Comment, like, and subscribe, and share it. And have a great day, Money Makers. And I will see you again for the final video tomorrow. Bye bye.